here, insisting that our food comes from the earth as Mother Nature intended it. You are here reclaiming your food supply. Make some noise for yourselves, y'all. I'm gonna need a little help here. I'm gonna need a little bit of help. Everybody say no GM, no GMO. No GM, no GMO. Say no GM, no GMO. No GM, no GMO. Say no GM, no GMOs. No GM, no GMOs. Say no GM, no GMOs. No GM, no GMOs. Say no GM, no GMO. Here's a little story about Monsanto poisoning the food all around the globe. Another corporation trying to get that dough. Respect the INA, respect the earth. Organic heirloom seeds growing in the dirt. For the 7 generations that still ain't birthed, no monocrops, we gotta keep it diverse. Stand up for your rights, you got to fight. Another Indian farmer just took his life. No Roundup Ready roots dead on sight. No label, no choice, you don't know what's right. They went from Agent Orange to making oranges. The profits they make are so enormous. From making poisons to killing choices. Terminator seeds, yo, we can't ignore this. North America, Europe showed us. It affects our brains, we're losing focus. A lot of people getting sick, are you taking notice? The time is now, yeah, we got to protest. Everybody say no GM, no GMOs. No GM, no GMOs. Say no GM, no GMOs. No GM, no GMOs. Say no GM, no GMOs. No GM, no GMOs. Say no GM, no GMOs. No GM, no GMOs. Thank you. It's my birthday today. I wouldn't rather be anywhere else in the world but with all you beautiful people right here. Love and solidarity from the Luminaries. We love you.